Whoa! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Oh fuck! Oh no!
No! Oh shit, just like doing it!
Oh.
What?
Jump the fence and overstep on the
Something on fire over there?
No, something got on like a little tiny fire size of a golf ball.
Jump the fence. There you go. There you go.
Ah, fucking sting needles.
Oh yeah, something's on fire over there.
Shit. I'll send your man over there. It's on fire?
You got it.
Well,
Fire there next door. Difficult, please yourself. You got that?
Like the bastards. Just get back.
terrified to light another one of them on the ground.
Might tip over and I don't think it's done yet. Yeah. That was a big one. Light some more. Yeah, light.
See where they went?
Right there, look. See, look. Premature. Whoa!
I'm giving up on this.
These are premature fireworks.
Fuck me, man.
There's like these ones. Might as well like 4 at a time here. Look.
Yeah, all these are getting lit right
These
now.
tubes. One there, one there, one there, one there, and that's it. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, you missed them. You didn't get the third one. Failure. Oh fuck.
Not again.
Nope.
There's one never went off.
No, it's right there, the green one.
Fuck. You're close to it.
No. Fuck, watch it.
Third one over. Third one over. No, he didn't.
Which one didn't go off?
This one.
Only
there,
one
yeah.
went off this end though.
Yeah,
Only two
yeah, I
went.
know. Well,
I don't like these fireworks.
Check that second one. Is he lit? No, they're lit. Okay, they're torched. He just didn't fire off. Waste. Okay. Oh fuck! Oh, cool. Little green tadpoles and shit. Like this one here.
One of these boxes?
Redneck ruckus. No. Okay, fine. Oh fuck. Okay. Fuck, I like more than this. Like those two boxes though.
Okay.
Right here and right here.
Try to do it quick.
Light this one first. And light this one here. Light. Okay, we're good. Shit. Cool. I think I stepped in some mud.
This one's on that light. Get one to the back first, I guess.
why he barely fucking came out. Oh.
Well, your fireworks are faulty. Bill.
What?
This one here. That one here. Like that one. I like that one. There you go. Oh fuck.
Light belt.
Almost done. He's toast. He's toast. There's a wick on this one, and then right down here low. High and low. High, low. Okay. Oh no, not again. Shit. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, not done. Yeah. So this last one, the box. Right here. Left and right. Right and left. Kapow! Oh, that's it. That's it. These toast. So you can get 3 of these? 1, 2. No, back off. Oh, you got it. Holy shit. Holy fuck, he went towards the house. It's just him and him, or light him. We get those two after. Oh, well, yeah. Light it. Light. Yeah. See for that. Hold on, hold on.
I'll light these two and I'll get the one on the ground right there.
Yeah. There we go. Whoa, fuck! The first shot just missed me. Fuck. No. She fell over.
That one only fired up a couple carts though. What do we do with these fucking things?
There, look. There you go.
Huh?
And
It only shoots one off that.
no, see that one there? Get him.
Probably.
Oh, I got him. I got him pushed on the ground.
Fuck.
Like this one, and then
have
and
another,
like this one. Who gives a shit? Let's go. Fucking right, run. Except for that.
Put him in the sand.
He's fucking toast, but
Just put all the wicks towards the center.
see that wick there? You have to like that one there too, huh? Well, they won't go anywhere this time, or? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You can get that one. Oh, fuck. You didn't get that third one, eh? That steady. One there. Oh, there's another box.
Get all these ones there?
No,
you
you
didn't.
didn't.
These are the ones.
Look, you didn't get these two here though. One here. Those three are toast. Fuck, they pop out, bastards. You missed another one there, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, those ones are lit.
You fired all off, did you?
Yeah. That's it.
There's a box here somewhere, buddy.
Those ones all big.
Nope, one here. I think.
Oh yeah, there's two.
Light away, my son. Oh. Yeah, that was pretty.
Bill, your fireworks is faulty, up on.
No, we already got these ones first.
Yeah.
They're all done.
Yeah,
They're all kaput.
Yeah.
All done.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's it.